Forget protein powder, seniors. These complete diets prevent muscle loss more quickly, safely, and efficiently, and for thousands of years they have been doing it. Seniors can stay strong without costly tubs of lab-made powder, the reality is. One of these nutrients actually begins to reverse muscle loss within 30 minutes. It's also less than $2. Today, we're dispelling the marketing gimmicks used by the supplement industry and exposing the natural muscle-saving strategies that older adults may truly use. These are tasty, reasonably priced, and supported by research rather than marketing. Welcome to Senior Guide, where we provide you with useful, scientifically supported dietary advice for a longer, healthier lifespan. Real food has already replaced powders and medications for thousands of senior citizens in the United States and around the world. You might also join them after watching today's video. Let me clarify now. For years, the billion-dollar protein powder business has been trying to convince you that their proprietary blends are your only chance to get strong. You've seen the advertisements featuring happy elderly people drinking shakes that promise youth and energy. However, many powders are highly processed, devoid of natural co-nutrients, and packed with artificial additives that are difficult for your body to digest. Our muscles require more than simply protein as we age. For optimal operation, they require a complete orchestra of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, and these 8 items in perfect balance do just that. Watch through to the finish because, especially if you're over 60, the last dish we discuss may be the most potent muscle-saving food you've ever heard of. Where are you watching from? What is your age? And how has your health been lately? Tell us about it in the comments section. Everyone was read by us. Let's begin the countdown with food number 8, the secret weapon that saves muscle and is creamy, ricotta cheese. While Greek yogurt and cottage cheese receive much of the attention, ricotta cheese might be the best food for halting muscle loss, particularly in older adults. It works more quickly than shakes or powders and is soft, strong, and reasonably priced. Ricotta is unique because it has the highest amount of natural whey protein of any complete meal. When surrounded by fats, enzymes, and minerals that your body utilizes to build muscle, ricotta's whey stays in its natural bioavailable state, unlike processed protein powders. It gives you a clear signal as soon as you eat it. Prevent the deterioration of muscles. Get the repair going. Even more amazing is the fact that ricotta contains over 3 grams of leucine per cup, an amino acid that is essential for seniors whose bodies react to protein more slowly. It's similar to turning on a biological switch that goes from breakdown to reconstruction. Additionally, ricotta contains albumin, a more easily digested type of the very effective muscle-building protein found in egg whites. Furthermore, no calcium supplement can compare to the rapid absorption of its calcium lactate, which supports bone health and muscular contractions. Ricotta is perfect for elderly people who have trouble grinding their teeth or swallowing. It is mild on the stomach, easy to digest, and smooth. In contrast to many protein powders, it doesn't make you bloated. It's also quite adaptable. Combine with cinnamon and berries for a breakfast that tastes like dessert. Add it to soups or spread it on toast. Easy, tasty, and powerful. 7. The luscious fruit that speeds up muscle recovery is watermelon. You might be surprised to learn that watermelon is one of the best foods for seniors to protect their muscles. It's not only because it hydrates either. L-citrulline is a rare chemical that holds the key, the largest natural concentration of L-citrulline, which your body converts to L-arginine and increases nitric oxide, is found in watermelon. As you age, circulation, oxygen delivery, and nutrition flow to your muscles all slow down. This improves circulation by widening blood vessels. Improved blood flow results in decreased discomfort, quicker muscle regeneration, and better recuperation. According to research, just a few slices of watermelon can reduce muscular discomfort by 40% and almost quadruple recovery time. Potassium, which is abundant in it, also helps to avoid cramps, weakness, and muscle loss. Without any additional starch, a single wedge of watermelon actually has more potassium than a banana. Additionally, watermelon has a higher concentration of the antioxidant lycopene than tomatoes do. Lycopene shields muscle cells from oxidative stress and age-related deterioration. Even watermelon's inherent sweetness is beneficial. Your muscles need to replenish their energy stores after engaging in physical activities like gardening or walking. Watermelon's natural fructose aids in the restoration of muscle glycogen, making it the perfect natural post-activity snack. Eat it an hour before or after an activity, as this is when L-citrulline transforms into nitric oxide for optimal effects. Juice the white portion of the rind as an added bonus. Compared to the red flesh, it contains even more L-citrulline. Who knew your strength could be so greatly enhanced by something so sweet? 6. The muscle meal, canned salmon, hiding in your pantry. Do you find protein powder handy? Perhaps even better is canned salmon, especially wild-caught. In addition to 25 grams of high-quality protein, it contains minerals like vitamin D, omega-3s, and soft, edible bones that are just not found in powders. First, let's talk about omega-3s. In fact, these good fats improve how your muscles react to protein, which makes it easier to gain and keep muscle. Seniors who consume fatty fish such as salmon stay stronger and recover more quickly, according to studies. Vitamin D3, which is essential for energy, strength, and preventing falls, comes next. In its most absorbable form, one tiny can provide up to 70% of your daily needs. The delicate bones inside the can come next. Don't throw them away. They are abundant in calcium and phosphorus, which are necessary for strong bones and muscular contractions. Additionally, because they are pressure cooked, they are easy to digest and absolutely safe to eat, especially for people with tooth problems. Additionally, there is astaxanthin, a red pigment that shields muscles from harm and stress. It expedites recuperation following everyday movement, chores, or walks. The best part is that there is no waste, no cooking, and no cleanup. Simply open the can and savor it. Compared to most powders, it is easy to digest, shelf-stable for years, and reasonably priced at about $2 to $3. Therefore, the next time you're considering muscle food, consider grabbing a can rather than the shaker bottle. 5. Whole eggs, the original anabolic superfood. Modern research has corrected the long-held misconception that eggs are a source of cholesterol. Whole eggs, yes, including the yolk, are among the best foods for building muscle in adults over 60. Even with the same amount of protein, eating entire eggs after working out resulted in 40% more muscle gain than eating just egg whites, according to a University of Illinois study. The key, the special nutrients in the yolk combine to promote muscle regeneration: vitamin D for strength, choline for brain-to-muscle communication, vitamin A for recovery, and leucine-rich clusters that promote muscle building more quickly than separate supplements are just a few of the beneficial elements that each egg provides, along with precisely balanced protein. Most of these are removed by protein powders. You get the whole deal from eggs. How about cholesterol? According to recent research, cholesterol in eggs is safe. Actually, as people age, their ability to produce testosterone and other hormones that maintain muscle declines. Here's a hint. Serve vegetables with eggs. The good lipids in the yolk increase the absorption of nutrients by up to 7 times. An omelet turns into a powerful tool for growing muscle. Eggs are inexpensive, simple to prepare, and easy to stomach. Real results don't need a blender, whether they're scrambled, boiled, or baked into a frittata. Put the powders away. Nature's first powerful food was eggs. Please take a moment to like this video if you're already enjoying and finding it amazing. It greatly aids in the growth of our channel. Additionally, you can click the Super Thanks button below to express your gratitude. We appreciate your feedback, and any assistance you provide enables us to keep producing useful content for seniors like you. 4. Kefir, the muscle protector at night picture. A beverage that helps your muscles grow while you sleep. Kefir provides just that, and no protein powder can compare. A fermented milk beverage that has been used for centuries in Eastern Europe to stay strong well into old age, kefir is sometimes referred to as yogurt's stronger relative. Why it works so effectively for seniors is now confirmed by science. It has far more beneficial bacteria and yeast than yogurt, up to 60 strains. The benefits of these probiotics extend beyond aiding digestion. They boost the gut-muscle axis, which helps your muscles absorb and use protein better and reduce inflammation. Additionally, the proteins in kefir are pre-digested during fermentation, which makes it easier for aging digestive systems to absorb than powdered shakes. However, casein, a slow-digesting protein found in kefir, is the true muscle-saving ingredient. It gels in your stomach and keeps your muscles nourished for up to 7 hours. Kefir protects you during sleep, when muscle breakdown is at its worst. Additionally, it provides bioactive peptides that lower inflammation and boost immunity, as well as vitamins K2 and MK7, which help distribute calcium to muscles and bones. Third, the hidden weapon of plant proteins is black beans. Black beans are an exception to the generalization that plant protein is detrimental, especially for older adults. 18 grams of premium plant protein and a potent bonus of resistant starch are included in each heated cup. This unique fiber helps your gut flora manufacture butyrate, a substance that protects muscle, reduces inflammation, and enhances your body's protein utilization. The second meal impact results from this. In addition to the beans, your body gets more adept at absorbing protein from your subsequent meals. It functions for hours, much like a natural muscle primer. In addition, black beans include a lot of folate, more than 60% of your daily requirement in just 1 cup, which is necessary for muscle growth and repair but is absent from most protein powders. If you include magnesium in your diet, around 30% of your daily requirements, you'll have significant assistance for energy and muscle contraction. Remember the antioxidants as well. The same substances that are present in blueberries, anthocyanins, shield muscle cells from aging and stress, accelerating healing and minimizing damage. What powders don't provide is this: fiber. Fiber boosts insulin, a hormone essential for muscle building, by maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Conversely, a lot of powders contain artificial sweeteners that have the opposite effect. It's also simple to incorporate black beans into your dishes. Add to soups or salads or mash with olive oil and herbs for a tasty, high-protein side dish. Therefore, think about the power of the bean the next time you're going for a scoop of powder. Second place. Beets are a natural way to increase blood flow in aged muscles. Although they may not seem like a muscle food, beets are one of the best-kept secrets for seniors to stay motivated, strong, and active. Why are beets so effective? Dietary nitrates. Your body converts them into nitric oxide after consumption, which increases circulation and expands blood vessels. Because blood flow naturally slows down with aging, this implies more oxygen, more nutrients, and less weariness. According to studies, beets can increase muscle efficiency by as much as 16%, which enables you to move more easily and recuperate more quickly. This can result in higher endurance, easier walking, and improved balance without fatigue. Because of their deep red anti-inflammatory chemicals called betalains, beets also help reduce muscle inflammation. This prevents discomfort and slows down age-related muscle atrophy. Because of their high fiber content, their natural sugars release gradually, providing you with consistent energy instead of highs and lows like many smoothies or processed snacks do. Here's an extra benefit. Because of a substance called betaine, beets aid in your body's natural production of creatine. Muscle strength is fueled by creatine, yet as we age, our levels decline. Naturally, beets help replenish the tank. They're also simple to eat: roasted, chopped into salads, or mixed into smoothies. Consume them prior to or following exercise to optimize strength, endurance, and recuperation. No artificial vitamins or powders are needed. Beets are not just for muscle support. They improve the whole mechanism that gives you your power. This little root is a clever, scientifically supported ally for any senior who want to maintain their independence. 1. Sardines in olive oil, the little fish with big muscle power. Despite their unassuming appearance, sardines cooked in olive oil are among the best whole foods for maintaining muscle mass as you age. 23 grams of complete protein, full of all the key amino acids your muscles need to repair and maintain their strength, may be found in each. No scooping or blending is necessary. Additionally, they are high in vitamin D3, an essential ingredient that is deficient in more than 70% of elderly people. A low vitamin D level increases the risk of falls and weakens muscles. Sardines can quickly remedy that. Better more, sardines offer powerful omega-3s, E, PA, and DHA in their purest form. Even after mild exercise like walking or housework, these good fats increase muscle protein sensitivity, lower inflammation, and hasten recovery. You also get a dose of heart-healthy fats from their high content of extra virgin olive oil, which aids in the absorption of vitamins A, D, and K, which are essential for strong muscles and healthy joints. By providing casein, a substance necessary for muscle energy that decreases with aging, sardines go one step further. They also provide calcium and phosphorus-rich edible bones, which are essential for healthy bones, muscles, and nerves. They are simple to eat in a salad, over toast, over warm cereals, or straight from the can. Quick, inexpensive, and muscle-saving nourishment without any preparation or mess. Few foods have the same protective effect on senior strength as sardines and olive oil. They are essential for every senior's pantry because they are straightforward, strong, and shelf-stable. Before we conclude, a medical disclaimer. This video is not meant to be medical advice, rather it is meant to be instructive. Before making any dietary changes, always get advice from your doctor or healthcare professional, particularly if you are using medication or already have health issues. Although scientific data supports the nutritional recommendations we've covered, each person's health requirements are unique. Advice from a qualified healthcare professional should always come first because what works for one person may not be good for another. Let's recap everything we have learned so far today. When it comes to preventing muscle loss in seniors, we found 8 potent natural meals that work better than protein powders in every aspect. From watermelon, which increases the amount of nitric oxide in the blood, to ricotta cheese, which is high in leucine and natural whey. From whole eggs and canned salmon, which provide highly accessible protein and omega-3s, to kefir, which uses casein and probiotics to power your muscles all night long. Then came beets, which provide natural nitrates to improve performance, black beans, which contain prebiotic fiber and folate, and sardines and olive oil, which is a shelf-stable powerhouse that is rich in calcium, CoQ10, vitamin D, and lipids that are good for your muscles. Instead of working against your body, each of these entire meals complements it. They are not only protein sources, they are useful complementary instruments for vitality, movement, and longevity. This is the one thing from this video that you should keep in mind. Real food does more than only keep muscles strong, it keeps you independent. I sincerely appreciate you taking the time to speak with me on Senior Guide today. Please do me a favor and forward this video to a friend or loved one who may be experiencing muscle loss or wasting money on supplements if it helped you see the superiority of genuine food over processed powders. They are also entitled to the truth. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button to ensure that you don't miss any more videos that offer helpful, scientifically supported dietary tips for aging well. Our goal is to enable senior citizens to live longer, stronger, and more energetic lives than they have in the past. Stay tough, eat healthily, and keep going till the next time.